Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. First of all, I'd like to kick off and saying thank you very much to everybody who subscribed. I'm up to 60 subscribers now, which I think is fantastic, so thank you very much. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you behind the scenes of what camera equipment I use whilst doing these videos. The camera is currently recording on a GoPro Hero 4. I've had that for quite a while now. I bought it new when they first came out, and I was amazed with it. It did exactly what I wanted. It was to film inside rally cars when I was navigating. So now I've actually started doing YouTube videos, I realised that there is better quality ones out there. So I last week went online and bought the GoPro Hero 7 in black. It really is an amazing piece of kit. I'm quite surprised I didn't upgrade sooner. But now I'll definitely be using this a lot more. Few key features with it is it will upload live onto social media sites like Facebook, YouTube, etc., which is fantastic. So once I start learning how to use this properly, I'll probably get a lot better videos. So because I've got two GoPros now, and I've got so many accessories and batteries and chargers and everything, I bought a Lowepro case. I'll show you. Lowepro case on Amazon. So what I'll do is I'll put the link for this in the description below. It is really cool. There's little holders for the tripod if you want to carry a tripod. There's a handle on the side, a handle on the top, and then when you open it up, you've got everything you need right in front of your face. There's obviously the two GoPro bodies, batteries, battery chargers, cables, and you've got your SD card holders, micro SD card holders, and then inside here there's a zip, so you can. There's also some wires in there, and then you move the Velcro, and you've got loads of places to hold your attachments and spare batteries. So this was definitely a really good buy. I was really happy with that. So that is one piece of my equipment that I'm going to be filming with. And then earlier on this year, I also bought the DJI Osmo Mobile, which again is really cool. I use this with my mobile phone, which I'm currently using an iPhone 10. So what I'll do is I'll put some videos that I've done with the gimbal on the video now, so you can have a quick look at what it does. So with being a photographer as well, I photograph weddings and I photograph cars, and I did quite a while back. I did some automotive photography, so I do have quite a fair bit of camera gear. So I wondered the other week why I've never actually used these to video before. So I did give it a go on the video that will be coming soon of me washing the ST170, and I really am amazed with it. You can slow things right down and have a good look, and you can do a lot of things with it. So I'm really happy with this. So this is a Canon 6D. I'm not really massively fussed about the megapixel size and stuff like that. That doesn't matter to me. And the lens I was using with it is a 50mm 1.8, which is actually called the Nifty 50 in the photography world because it is the must-have lens. So that is the camera gear that I do have. I've got quite a few video shoots as such coming up, which is quite interesting. I'm looking forward to doing them. Also, while I am speaking to you, I'm going to show you what I edit on. I edit my videos on my iPad with a program called LumaFusion. LumaFusion, it lets you do anything you want. It's really cool. You can add music, you can cut clips down, you can put effects on. So that is what I use for editing these videos. So guys, at the end of this video now, I'm going to whack up some photos of cars that I photographed in the past. Hopefully I've still got them somewhere, because I did stop doing car photography about 3-4 years ago now. So if I can find them, I'll wax them up at the end of the video. And thank you very much for watching, and hope to see you again soon in the next video. So if you haven't already, if you'd like to click the subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. So thank you very much guys, and see you again soon. In the darkest night, I saw your eyes.
a sense of threat that I can't forget. I wanna know who you are, is what I need to know. So take my hand and let our fears go. Take me to your jungle, where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to your kingdom. Yeah, take me to the, yeah, take me to the. Take me to your jungle, where the rain is warm and the birds fly. Take me to your kingdom. Yeah, take me to the jungle, jungle. No words describe your savage life. Ooh, let's give it a go like a puppet show.